Hello guys, this video is about creating tuples in Python. Okay, let's start with creating a new file. You can give any name to this file. I'll give it as tup.py. Okay, let's start creating a tuple. Before creating a tuple, exactly what is tuple? Tuple is nothing but where you can store values. It's same as a list, but the one big difference is that you cannot change or immute any values in tuple. It is immutable. You cannot change a value once created in a tuple. So that is a difference between a list and a tuple. In list, you can change any values. You can do multiple functions to a list. So whereas in tuple, there are limited features available in tuple. So let's start creating a new tuple here. A equal to, okay, it starts with parenthesis. It supports only parenthesis. Tuple supports only parenthesis. So let's create some of the elements in it. Steve, Mike, Nancy. We'll create a integer type. We'll create a Boolean type here. So this is how a tuple looks like. So only the thing you can do in tuple is the slicing. Slicing is can be performed in tuple. Not more than slicing. You cannot do any operations except slicing in tuples. So let's see how do you do slicing here. Let's print a of 0 colon. So I want to print from Steve to 2021. Okay, so I'll give here index values. It's easy to recognize which index value is this. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5, and this is 6. Okay, so 0 to, I want to print from Steve to 2021. So I will give it as 5, 0 colon 5. Okay, from 0 to 5. It will print up to 2021. It will exclude the true value because it will not include it. So let's try printing this. Here you can see Steve, Mike, Nancy, 2002, 2021. So it has been fifth index value has been excluded here. Okay. Next, what you can do? What else you can do in tuples? Let's see if I can. You cannot modify any tuple, right? Let's see what error it shows up in the terminal. I'm giving the 0 index value as 5. So if I print that, yeah, you can see here it is a type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. So this is how it shows the error, type error. So this is the meaning of immutable in tuples. So one more thing, if you want to modify any tuple, you have to convert it into a list. So how you will convert a tuple into a list? Let's see here. So I'll create a new variable here. X is equal to list brackets Here you have to give a, within that brackets you have to give it as a. Okay, now you can modify. I want to modify Nancy to some other value. So what is the index value of Nancy? 2. So I'll give it as 2 here, equal to, I'll give it as a Hyderabad. Okay, so what we have done up to here, we have converted and tuple into a list. Then uh, we have assigned a value to a index value 2. What is the index value? Nancy. We have converted that index value to a new name, Hyderabad. So you cannot directly print it. If you see, if you try printing this, you will not get that Hyderabad value here. See here, you are not getting that Hyderabad value because after modification of this index value to, you have to convert it back to tuple. So how you will convert it back to tuple? So x is equal to, sorry, this t, it is a here, a equal to tuple of x. So if we run this, see here, Steve, Mike, Hyderabad. You got the value, right? You got the index value, right? You have changed that index value from Nancy to Hyderabad. So this is it is a workaround how to convert a tuple to a list. So this is how you can convert a tuple into a list. Yeah, the only we can perform only these functions, these operations in tuple, like slicing and converting a tuple to a list. You cannot perform any other operations using tuple. Okay, it has a limited operations. So this is how a tuple works. Thanks for watching.